Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. So, it's been a little while. Last week was not a good week, but I did manage my live craft session with you. I can show you the finished item here. This is it in all of its glory. I did add a little bit of sparkle. If you want to go and watch me work on this, I will pop a link up in the eye to that live. And of course, we also had our live Samhain ritual for those who wanted to come and partake in that celebration. And that went really well. I really enjoyed it. We had new people that I hadn't seen before come, old faces that I hadn't seen for a while come. It was really lovely. And again, if you missed out on that, but you still want to check out what I was up to, you can go and check out the link, and all of the previous rituals will be there for you to watch. So I'm easing myself back into video making. So I thought I would start with a little bit of colouring. A little while ago, I unbagged these 3 colouring books from HeyHunItsNicole. So I got the Teleguide one, the 90s Art Goss catalogue, and the Wow, That's What I Call a Colouring Book. So I figured I would have a little look at one of these pages for today, just to give myself something nice and chill and calm, so that I can get a video out for you. So I think I'm going to time lapse it. And we'll just see how we get on. So I'll see you on the other side. All right then, lovely peeps. This is my first page done from the Wow, That's What I Call a Colouring Book. It was very good fun. I know that these colours are not perfect recreations of the movie. It's been a long time since I've watched Shrek. But I had fun doing this. This was really good fun. And the fact that these are like, tattoo flash style little doodles means that you don't get too caught up on the details of one design. There's no background to worry about. Yeah, this was a very pleasant hour, I suppose, for me of sitting and colouring. So maybe I will return to this in a live at some point if you are interested in seeing more of these books. We can do one together in a live and you can have a bit of input as to what colours we're choosing and things. That's always good fun. And yeah, let me know what you think. as has been the case most recently, I'm still using my cheapy Temu off-brand alcohol markers and my You Only Need One white acrylic paint pen. But yeah, worked fine. I was really surprised actually. This is some hefty paper. It did say on the back, I think. No, maybe it says when you buy it. But this is thick paper. And I was quite surprised with how quickly it bled through. Yeah, got a little bit of paper behind. It was fine. And you can see, obviously, I've got some colouring. So, I think that's us just about done for today. I will see you again for another video really soon. And until then, thank you to everybody who supports the channel, particularly those of you that support the channel over on Patreon or here as channel members. You guys are the very, very best and you mean the world. If you want to join them, links down below as always. But of course, you can always just support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. Become a member of the Crafty Coven. So with that being said, I'll leave this here. Stay crafty!